G'day, here's a nice piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. The white that you're seeing there's a reflection of the lights, but basically stone there. And a little eye of colour there, wherever it goes in under. I don't know. Possibly two stones, one this side, one that side. You can see there it changes direction, drops off on the right, so saw through here, one stone here, one stone here I think to go, or leave it as it is and make it into a pendant. It's up to you. Bit of colour in the back there as well. It needs a bit more shaping than that yet. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.